Hey guys, it's me Penny. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you the studio apartment where I will be living for the next few months. It's very small and I like this place. So yeah, you're not gonna be seeing my face in the whole video, and I'm just gonna show you the things that are here and what I like about this place. So this is the door and I'm just entering right now. And the door actually has this mirror. Okay, here you see my face again. And I just locked the door. And then here we have this big cupboard, and this is how it looks like inside. So you can hang your jackets here, and up there you can keep some things. So I have my things here that I need to unpack. And then this side again, oh, this one doesn't want to open. Okay, it finally opened. There were just some things blocking the door somewhere there, so you can also keep some things up there. And then here, I don't even know what I'm gonna put there because I'm very short. And then here you can hang some clothes. So I have some few things here that I just put here. I still need to arrange everything. Down here you can also keep some things, and here too. So yeah, I think all my things can fit in here. And this is me again. Oh, I like this mirror. I think I'll be taking some pictures here. And yeah, here is just this thing where you keep your shoes. And inside here we have the bathroom, so I just need to close this. So we have the bathroom here and the toilet here. I still need to clean everything. And then this sink, I think this is very uncomfortable. I cannot wash my face here because it's very small. The space between the tap and this is very small. And then here we have the washing machine, and here we have this mirror, which is actually a cupboard, so you can keep some things here. So I just put a few things here that I still have to arrange. And yeah, and then here we have this way. I think I'll be hanging my towels and gowns here. And then this part here, so I still have some things that I need to pack. And now we're going to the main part. So here we have this small kitchen part here. So this is the table. I think this is like a dining table, so everything is just together. And we have like two small chairs here, and then we have like a lot of cupboards, and they are very big. These are the things that I found here. I also found the microwave, and then we have the fan, the stove. It only has 2 plates, which are enough for 1 person. And here we have other cupboards, and I also found these things here. And this one, okay, this one is empty, so this is enough for 1 person. I think some of these cupboards will be empty. So yeah, and then we have this part here. So here you can hang your cutting boards, and you can also hang your big forks if you're into cooking. I think you would like this. And yeah, I came with this one, and then I found this cutting board here. And here we have the tap, the fridge that I also found here. I feel like this is so big, I need to discourage you from buying food. Let me just open it, and this is how it looks like inside. Okay, it's not empty. This is what I was eating. This is the only thing that I ate today. And then I have some water here. I can't live without water, so this is why I said it would discourage you from buying food, because it's very big. So yeah, so down here we have some drawers. These are all the things that I found here. And then we have this other drawer again. There's some things here, and we have this one. I also found all these things here. And here we have this cupboard. I think this is where I will be keeping the trash. And here we have the oven. I love baking, so I'm gonna enjoy this part. And we have another cupboard here. So we have this one too. Guys, I don't really know things, but I don't know what I don't know what is this for. I really don't know, and I can't lie to you. So this is a small kitchen. It's very small, but I feel like it's okay. And we come to the other part so that everything is like together. So here we have this couch. This is gonna be my couch and the bed at the same time. Here we have the TV. I also found it here, and then we have more cupboards, so I'll keep some of my things here. And here we have like 3, and we have 3 down here. So yeah, this is everything inside. It's like almost everything is together, the bedroom and the kitchen, and I can hear the noise from the fridge. I'm a deep sleeper, so this won't disturb me at all. But then if you're a light sleeper, I think you cannot take a studio apartment because the fridge is just next to you and it's making noise. But those are small things that don't bother me. I just want to show you the balcony. It's sunny. I didn't expect this at all. Okay guys, it's very sunny, and okay, you can see this. So this is the balcony, and it has these things. I think these are for hanging clothes or something. And here we have the window, so I can open this one if I want some air, but then it's very cold outside. And this is my view, which you can't really see. Okay, let me check. Oh, this is the view, and I like this. Oh, today's weather is very nice. When you open this window, you can now hear all the noise coming from outside. So I also have my bags here, but the sun is gonna burn my bags, and I think this is not good. We also have some things here. Okay, I don't really need to show you this, but I found these things here. And the balcony is a bit big, so if I remove this and I want to sit here, I think I can sit here sometimes. Damn, I like this part, the sun, guys. I think I'll be taking my pictures here, but now it's too much. So again, one thing about this place is that you can hear everything that your neighbors are doing. Not like everything, but yeah, I could hear my neighbor talking on the phone. Maybe it's because she was loud. I think this is not okay, but maybe they can even hear me talking right now. I don't know, but for me it's okay. I actually don't care, and nobody is allowed to make noise from 11 p.m. so I think that's not gonna disturb my sleep. So yeah guys, that is all I have in this place, and this is how it looks like. Everything that I showed you, it's very small, but I think I'll enjoy living in this place. It's very quiet. The place around is very quiet, and I'm gonna see how it feels like to live in a studio apartment. I'm so excited. So yeah, thank you. See you in my next video.